Hello! Have a happy and blessed Wednesday to everybody. Good afternoon. Again, this is Lian Padla Kape. How is your day? I hope everything is good. So, para meron lang tayong interaction, I'm going to pick another card from my magic cards randomly. Disclaimer, wala pa akong pinapatamaan. Hindi po scripted ang mga questions at mga sagot ko po. So, it's randomly pick. If you have questions and clarifications, feel free to ask me. Okay? Please, Rose. So, I will pick one. This one. So, it's random again. I'll pick 2 cards or 3. Okay. Yan. So the first question. Render a favorite tune you used to sing as a child. Okay. Kasi nga I am 80s child. Ang paborito kong kanta noon ay kay Madonna. When I was in grade school, feel ko yung kanta na gusto ko. So, again, the question of my magic card is render a favorite tune you used to sing as a child. Ang title ng song from Madonna is For You. I will not say the first word kasi nga it's hindi siya advisable. Malalaman yung tono ng boses ko nito. Okay. Swaying home from the music starts. Ano bang next? Okay. Strangers making the most of the dark. 2 by 2 and bodies become one. I see you through the smoky air. Can't you feel the weight of my stare? You're so close, but ano next? Nakalimutan. So yun na ang chorus na. So I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my kiss. I'm crazy for you. Oh. Napakanta ako. So, walang yes, hello? A name in a foreign language? Hello. Okay. I was just singing a favorite song that I used to sing when I was a child. So, I am an 80s child from the 80s. I sang a song from Madonna. So, I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my kiss. I'm crazy for you. Okay. So, the next question for my LS so that we can have an interaction. Next question. Again, this is not scripted. The questions are randomly picked from my magic cards. So I'm not ready for the answer. Next question. Oops. The group may ask you now their own questions. So, do you have any questions, viewers? You don't have any questions? I'm waiting for any questions or clarifications from the group. Do you have any question? Yung katabi ko na lang ang tinanong ko, baka... Oh, do you have any question?
No.
Kuya, ba't tumatawa ka? Do you have any question?
So, kuya, baka may question ka.
Kasi wala eh, walang nagtatanong eh. Okay, balik na lang. So, I'll just pick na lang another card na lang. Here na lang, be. I'll pick another card na lang because nobody's asking question from the viewers. So, the next question, tell us about an incident that really terrified you. There's an incident, but I won't share it here. My clue, it's regarding about my health. That's the latest incident that really terrified me. Because in my health, sometimes if I can't breathe, I will be using an oxygen. And then, let's not talk about it anymore. Okay. Next, the last question before I will end my live streaming. This is just a quick live. The question. Comment on this. If you cannot find way out, look up. This is a good question. This question is about faith for me. So, every time I feel hopeless and helpless, I just surrender it to God. And then, if I feel what they call this, that's something bothering me, pain and hurts from the past, or people who betrayed me, who are hurting me, I look up and I ask God for strength and courage and wisdom to guide me so that I can forgive those people who have caused me pain. And it's not easy to forgive. Kasi tao lang po. We are just human beings. And human beings tend to get even, tend to be vindictive. They want to let other people who have caused them pain to get it back, or to let them feel also the pain that they have caused to them. Kaya nga, ang prayer ko ngayon, it's more on justice. Sana mabigyan po yung justice yung mga ginawa ng unfairness ng ibang tao. Walang justice dito, baka ang justice ay hindi directly sa kanila, but it could be happen to their family members, because what they call this, sabi nila karma, minsan ay it will hurt you most to the situation or to the person that means you most. Kung sa'yo okay lang na masaktan ka, pero merong kang taong mas importante sa'yo na ayaw mong masaktan or ayaw mong makitang nasasaktan. So, doon po pupunta ang what tinatawag nating karma or justice. I don't know. Kaya nga, look up because you are not in control of the external factors in your life. You can only control how you respond, how you will feel, how will you react. But other people's actions is beyond your control. Hi to Dulali Singh. Hi to Ying Fernandez. Kaya natin nalisin na sarili na. Pero ilang tao din natin. Yes, tama ka, sis Ying Fernandez. Yeah. Kaya nga, focus on what we can control. Because I've heard someone is telling me na hindi ko daw makontrol si ganito, yung tao na to, kaya nga daw sa ibang tao na lang daw ako nag-control. No. I told her, you cannot control people. The only way you can control is yourself. How you will react, how you will feel, and what will be your response to a particular person's behavior. Thank you, Dulali Singh, for the appreciation of my live streaming. So I hope you are all doing good. Kaya nga, it's a test of faith. If we have something that we are bothered or are strong, we have something that we are struggling with or dealing with that it's causing us anxiety or sadness, look up. So I'll just surrender it to God. If it is His divine will, may purpose siya. It's the best for us. Perfect timing lahat. Kaya yung iba na akala nyo na parang you will be questioning, meron ba talagang Diyos na nakikinig sa mga prayers natin? Huwag po kayo mawalan ng pag-asa. Kailangan lang talaga hope, love, faith, and joy in our hearts so that we can spread positive vibes with our fellow human beings. Isipin natin din na may pinagdadaanan din sila. Kaya nga, yung understanding and wisdom, magkasama yan. Kasi, pag wala tayong wisdom, hindi tayo magkakaroon ng understanding. That's how I see it. Hi, Sisi Ganda, Evelyn Mendoza, Manzano. Thank you for watching. So, hindi na po ako magtatagal. Baka mamaya babalik lang ako sa LS ko. May celebration. Yes. Tama kasi si Ganda. Patience is the key. Minsan kasi parang yung paghihintay mahirap eh. Kaya nga yung tawag nilang gratification, anong tawag dun? Before you eat an ice cream na masarap, kailangan mo munang i-accomplish something na difficult matapos mo na before you will eat an ice cream. Ano tawag doon? Gratification. May another term doon. We have to wait for the right time. Okay, so guys, that's all for now. I love you all. Take care and you pray always. Ingat po tayo. Bye-bye.